welcome back to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like the Bingo Aloha game available now. Make money on this year for all. So, guys, we request you be end of watching this video because I will be helping to you, guide to you how to complete with this game. 40 levels. They all everything more easily. No, not to be anything hard. Just to be explain you something about this game. Then you will be easily to understand how to complete with this game. So I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be helping to you completely guide to you how to complete with this task 40 level. I hope you will be completely understand now. So thank you so much for you watching my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I be already download this game and will be explain you all about these options and how to complete to be 40 levels. Okay guys, I'm be starting this game and completely guide to you how to complete to be this task because many people sometimes not to be know how to complete to be these games levels. So they all of everything more easily know, only explain you something about this game. So guys, depend on you how much you need it to be boxes to be used now. First of all, 3 boxes to be using now better now because 4 boxes the more
Ready? Go.
likely hard for you, but I will be explain you and to be starting this game. So let's start.
O 75.
75 to be using all these options. Now we have
G 58.
G58,
B 9.
B9,
I 29. I 21.
I21. Okay,
B 6.
B6,
N 37. G 60. I 26.
I26,
B
bingo,
14. Second place bingo.
B26,
O 67.
O67,
G 47.
G47,
B 12.
B12,
I 23.
I23,
G 56. O 61.
O61,
N 36. I 28. Round over.
okay. Okay, next to be again to using 3 boxes. Okay, Okay guys, to be starting to be against. Okay, starting this game.
074,
74, choosing GB4 and this
061,
61,
I-17, N31, N36, N37, 070, I-30, G51, 067, B8, 065, N44, 069, I-24, N35, I-21, N40, B7, B3, round over.
Okay, starting to be against games.
B9,
B9. No B.
B13, N32,
Then 32.
B3, I26,
I-26.
N34, B5, I47, B6, G54, O64, O63, N38, G50, N31, G49, I23, G52, I28, O70, O69, G59, I21, E15, N42, E7, I19, I-25, I-24, O-62, O-73. Bingo! Round over.
So guys, just start this game and you will be easily to complete to be your tasks. Always to be these games.
Double bingo!
So thank you so much for you supporting me and completing my games every times. So thank you so much for you watching my video. Love you guys for supporting me and thank you so much.